These multi-purpose handsaws are ideal for hard and softwood, chipboard, MDF and plastic. Fast 8 points per inch for first fix or fine 12 points per inch for second fix cutting options are available, along with a choice of double or triple ground teeth that give Venom saws that extra bite. Rigid 1mm thick carbon steel blades across the range have been hardened, tempered, straightened and stress relieved to avoid whip, ensure straightness and strength and maintain performance. Ultra tough lacquer is used to coat the finely ground blade surfaces, reducing friction when sawing and helping to protect against corrosion. Venom handsaws come in 500 and 550mm lengths and convenient toolbox versions at 350mm. 250 and 300mm tenon saws will also be included in the range. Bespoke designed ergonomic soft grip handles ensure user comfort, stability of movement and power transfer. Identifying the right saw and cut for your job is helped by the colour-coded handles that include 45 and 90-degree profiles for rapid marking out. Optimum tooth design guarantees fast cutting with impressive sawdust removal in both forward and reverse directions. Look in store for the purpose-made merchandisers featuring the new distinctive Venom graphics. The Draper Venom handsaw range, superb performance and exceptional value, backed by the Draper guarantee. But don't just take our word for it, let's hear what the trade thinks.
Yeah, we've just used the new Venom saws, like the range of different saws they have. It seems to be a nice smooth saw.
I think they're very good as anything that's on the market. Got a lovely handle, a good range of different teeth and lengths of saw, and is very competitively priced.
Yeah, very impressed with the new Venom saw. Has a nice clean, sharp cut, nice soft grip handles. Would recommend it to the lads.